everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be testing 2 no borax slime recipes and I really hope that you enjoy this video. And we're going to kick right off with this butter slime recipe. So you're going to need some Crayola Model Magic air dry clay and then also some lotion. I find that the Vaseline Essential Healing one works the best for me, but you know, that's just my personal preference. And at first the clay is very stiff and hard, so that's why you want to go in with your lotion. I didn't really know how much I was supposed to add, so that's why I just put a tiny bit, which was, I kind of felt like I should add it a bit more. But yeah, I think in total I needed 3/4 to a cup worth of lotion, so you know, quite a fair amount. So if you're going to do this at home, make sure that you have some lotion on hand, and that so you don't just run out halfway through when you were making it. So you know, so here I'm just adding in my second and final lot of lotion. It was very creamy, soft, buttery, just a great slime in general. I really enjoyed it. It was very weird, like at first, like when I was kneading it in, this filled me with zero hope. Like I just had no idea what this was doing. Like it was literally falling apart. Like the lotion and the clay was separating, which I think that's what happened. I don't know, I'm not a scientist, I don't know anything, but that's what I just think happened. And yeah, it was falling apart, but then it came back together and it actually formed a great slime. So I was very happy with this. So this is the final slime. I really enjoyed it. It was very fun and creamy, soft, spreadable, stretchy, basically all of the good slime traits. Can you say traits? I think maybe you can, or can you? It's kind of weird, but yeah, you guys know what I mean. It was a great slime. I love doing this. I think it's a great alternative if your hands are sensitive to borax, or so it's not as bad for your hands, which moves us on to the next recipe, which you're going to need some PVA glue. And then also for your activators, you're going to need some baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. I think it's basically the same thing, just in different countries they call it different names, but it's baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. And I noticed that the glue mixture became very, very thick after the first, you know, when I just added in the baking soda. So that was kind of a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know. I guess that's a good thing. And then you're just going in with your second activator, which is saline solution. I think also contact lens solution works, but I find that saline solution is a lot better for me. And make sure that it contains boric acid or sodium borate or something to do with borax. So just, you know, because that's what helps it activate. And it activated basically immediately. It was very weird. I was kind of confused by this, but it was good. Like I think that it worked quite well. On the outside there was kind of like a layer of, I don't know, like kind of like a shell of overactivated watery slime that I was not a fan of, and then inside it was actually super stringy and not very nice. And yeah, so I didn't really like this bit. It was kind of like a snotty, I was like in a snotty stage, if that is a word, like if that's even a thing, but it felt not very pleasant, but it worked out in the end. I was happy with this slime. And this is the slime that I'm left with. It was very glossy, but I think I overactivated this slime. So if you're going to do this at home, make sure that you're a bit less heavy with the activator. But yeah, that was totally, completely my fault. But yeah, it felt kind of gummy. Like even when I added in the color to loosen it up, it was very gummy and good. Like I really liked it. It was very fun. It was just a great slime. I think it's just a good alternative for borax. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And then also subscribe. Make sure that you leave some video suggestions in the comment section, down below. and I will see you in my next video. Bye!